Good morning, guys. So this video is gonna be a little different. I am gonna record a day in the life. This is real motherhood wifey type of vibes. I am cleaning up the house all day. I have my little one here with me. He go back to school tomorrow. Spring break is almost over with. I have my coffee right here. And look how dirty it looks. I don't know what happened this morning. It just kind of wafted out. I filled it up to the top. So yeah, we're about to go to Walmart and get some cleaning supplies because I'm cleaning the bathroom. I'm deep cleaning both bathrooms today. And I need some laundry detergent, some air fresheners, and we need some food. Yeah. Some more food in the fridge. So that's what we're doing today. I have on my mommy dress. And look at it. Oh, and then I have this cool little boy right here. How cute. How handsome. He brushed his teeth and washed his face all by himself. Let me see your teeth. Let me see. Perfect. So this is just a day in the life, you guys. My lace look crazy, but I get my hair done Wednesday, so if the lace is looking crazy today, just disregard it, girl. This is just real life. I don't have on any makeup. I'm just being myself. I'm not doing anything. I'm just showing y'all the day in the life. I'm gonna show you guys me cooking tonight, cleaning. I have so much to do. Laundry. I just have so much to do. Just trying to get everything out the way today. Yesterday we went bowling, and we had like a family day out, so I didn't get to do like my Sunday cleaning, but today I'll be doing my Sunday cleaning. I think I want to change the flowers up a little bit for the spring. I don't know, and I think I want to add some more greenery to the house, so I might go to Home Goods just to see if they have a few more new pillows. I don't know, you guys. I'm all over the place. I know we need some new towels and some new rags.
New towels?
Yeah.
No, these towels clean.
But we need some like better ones and some new rags and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today on this journey. Like, I got a lot going on. Okay, y'all, so let's get started. So excuse the mess on my bed. I washed my clothes today. I did some laundry, and I'm just folding the clothes up and putting them in the drawer. I'm gonna call Joseph to come and get some of his clothes. My baby is such a big boy now, y'all. He knows how to put all his clothes in his drawers really neatly. Oh my gosh, he's such a good kid. So I'm just gonna clear the bed off and make sure everything is off the bed because this room is a mess, girl. It's messy. Okay, so Joe is gonna come and assist me a little bit. He's always helping me. He's such a big help. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful for him. He don't like me to overwork myself. I was extremely tired this day, you guys. I just was so tired. I was grocery shopping and cleaning the house all day, so he's always helping me. So I was just making the bed up. I'm gonna clean off Joe's nightstand a little bit. Oh my gosh, his nightstand be a mess. So he's just making sure the sheets are tucked really tight. I'm gonna take some, I think it's called Spray Away window cleaner, or like it's like a glass cleaner. I'm gonna use this to wipe down my little nightstands because they are a little dusty. I tend to do this every week, like every Sunday, but today is Monday. So I definitely need to wipe them down to make sure they're nice, clean, fresh, and shiny. Joseph decided to come in the room to get his remote. Like, Mommy, where's my remote? Okay, you guys, excuse the clutter. I'm going to work on that. So I'm just in my little laundry room. I'm getting my clean blankets and pillowcases out so I can put on my bed. I do wash my pillowcases every 3 days, you guys, because my hair and my makeup, and sometimes my makeup get on my pillow. As you guys can see, I really like white sheets on my bed at all time. It just makes me feel like I'm in a hotel. I like to feel a little luxe when I'm sleeping. This bed is so soft. I know a lot of people are going to ask me where I got this bed from. I got this bed from a little store, like this little boutique furniture place that's here in the West Palm Beach area. I think it's called no, it's not called Overstock. It's called the Closeout Store. I really like this bed. So I'm just going to put my little 2 pillows on my bed. I need to go pillow shopping. I throw my pillows away really, really often because I don't like when they get flat. And I need to pick up some from Home Goods. Okay, so now that we have the dresser and the bed made, we're going to go ahead and sweep. I'm going to take my favorite Glad carpet cleaner, and I'm going to put it all over my carpet. I love this scent. It smells like fresh linen. It smells so good, you guys. Make the room feel smell really fresh. So I'm just sweeping my butt off, you guys. I'm a little old-fashioned. I don't really use vacuum cleaners, but I will. But I just really like the way my carpet looks when I sweep because I feel like it gets everything up. But it does wear me out a little bit. My arms do feel a little tired. So I'm just going to sweep. It is almost time for me to get my carpet clean. I do try to get my carpet clean at least once a month because I don't like dirty carpet at all. So Joe's going to come help me sweep because, like I said, I was super tired this day and my arms was kind of hurting. Hey guys, look who I found in our room. Our one and only baby boy. Say hi.
Hi.
Why do you love mommy room? Because it's comfortable. Yeah. Dinner will be ready soon. Okay guys, so my husband did give me some flowers this afternoon. I was so happy and so excited. This is something he do like once a week. It's something that makes me smile from ear to ear. I really like flowers. If anybody know me, you guys know I'm obsessed with flowers. I'm super girly and I just love fresh roses in my house. It makes me feel like my house is alive. So I really appreciate him doing this for me because it's something that I really like. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking dinner. I'm so sorry about the look and the expression on my face, but I'm getting kind of tired now. My body is just about to shut down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook and wash dishes. Okay, so tonight I made our favorite homemade crispy chicken salad. Me and my family love this. It's quick, it's easy. I put eggs and cucumbers and cheese and bacon bits in it, and it's absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, it's been a really busy day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We just ate dinner and I am super tired and about to go to bed. We about to go to bed. I just had me a glass of Roscato. About to take a shower and probably do me a facial mask. And that's it for tonight. I love you and I'll talk to you later. Say bye.